Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix login error in Marvel Rivals. So watch the video until the very end. So whether you're on PlayStation 5, Xbox, or PC, the first thing I recommend you do, simply close out of the game fully and then relaunch it. See if it works now. If that didn't work, it means your network connection isn't working or Marvel Rivals servers are experiencing issues. So what I recommend you do is go to the settings on your respective console or PC. Go ahead and test your internet connection, and also check your internet connection's upload speed. Now, if you are able to connect to your internet, but you're noticing issues with your speed, that could be a real issue. In that case, I recommend performing a power reset on your home network. To do this, you'll want to unplug your modem or router for 30 to 60 seconds and then plug it back in. Now come back and test your internet connection speed to see if that was the issue. Now, if that didn't work, you could also check the PlayStation Network status and the Xbox status to ensure that the issue isn't on the platform's end. Now, if you know 100% that it's not your home network connection, then it could also be Marvel Rivals, in which case I'd check out their social media channels. Just wait until they fix it,